Hey, David here. Just getting ready to take care of these oak tree acorn stains. You can see those acorns get crushed and then they release an oil in them. So yeah, I'm usually back at this property, twice a year to do this, but it just takes a good percentage of SH to remove them. You're not going to get it with pressure alone. So I'll just blow this off and then apply, usually between a 5 and 6% mix, which is just about the 40 to 50% is what's going to get rid of that staining. And it's a pretty quick job. And then I got another house that I'm doing a driveway in this neighborhood, so knock out 2, and then got a third job I'm doing in Palmetto. So right now I'm in Bradenton. So anyways, yeah, this will come out looking good when I'm done. I think the acorns are still dropping. You can see this is just water right now, but man, they're dark when they get wet. Here's got the chemicals now. Let's see. Kind of chilly out this morning. I think it's in the 60s. You can see it's already starting to come up there. like magic. So all finished here with this acorn stain removal on this driveway. It's just this section here and a section up there. Yeah, as soon as you clean it, they start falling again. So still not done with the season. Plus there's these squirrels that like dropping them. But it was pretty dark all through here with the staining. But again, if you put down a good percentage of SH, that should remove them for you, and you don't need any pressure at all. In fact, I use the blower to blow off the acorns, then put down the SH, and then I just watered the grass afterwards. But yeah, off to the next job. Hopefully that helps you.